Hi everyone, we are here at Ashton Woods, a newer builder in Berry Bay. This is Sarah, your realtor for all things south of Tampa, and
Royce Williams with Ashton Woods at Berry Bay.
we're going to talk to you why Ashton Woods as a builder, why now. So we're just going to get a quick snippet of who they are as a builder, why they're different from your traditional box build, why it's a great idea to buy now with their current incentives, and again, why Ashton Woods, why Berry Bay.
Thanks, Sarah. Well, welcome to Ashton Woods. Ashton Woods is a great and amazing builder. We're known for the heart of design, and what makes us unique is our ability to have for buyers to be able to personalize their home. And so we've actually been building for over 33 years. Last year, we were actually awarded Newsweek's one of the most trustworthy companies in 2025, and we're the only builder to make that list, which is
impressive.
It's amazing. And so one of the things our homeowners usually tell us that makes us unique and what they really like about Ashton was it's not just the quality, but the ability to personalize their home. And so we actually have what we call collections. And our collections were carefully curated by designers up in Atlanta. And so in this particular community, we have 13 collections that we offer. So we kind of get away from the traditional boxy homes that you may actually see out. We are not new to Tampa, but we're new coming back. And so we are excited to be here and be able to offer elevated designs and elevated style of living.
Why buy now? This is the spring, early spring of 2026. Why now should they choose Ashton Woods? Say they bought 10 years ago, or say they bought 4 years ago when rates were lower, but there were no incentives. Why is right now the right time to buy?
Now is the right time to buy because we're actually starting to approach buying season. And so that usually starts from late February all the way through the summer. And so if you're in the market for a new home, I always tell people, when people ask that question, when is the best time to buy? There's no real best time to buy. The best time to buy is when you're ready. And so if you're in a position to buy a home, what makes now even more unique and a better opportunity is the ability for you to take advantage of some of the rates. Rates have been coming down, and usually when rates come down, we start to see an uptick in people coming back on the market. So all of those fence riders, people who have been waiting for the right time, are starting to see the rates trickle down, and they're going to be coming back into the market. And so in turn, in response to that, usually we start to see prices increase. And then we also see incentives go away. So right now we're still in what we would consider a buyer's market. And so buyers still have the ability to take advantage of these opportunities. And one of the good things about buying new construction is if you're building your home, it takes us about 6 months to build. And so what that will give you is the opportunity for you to take advantage of the pricing today. And then usually, we can't always guarantee this, but within 6 months, you probably already see some equity in your home as the buying season progresses, and you won't have to compete with those other buyers, and then you won't also be subject to the increased pricing.
Right. Well, thank you for the information. This is a fantastic community. We're going to go take a look and check it out. Come on along with us.
Yes, let's check it out.
Check out the Griffin Model by Ashton Woods in Berry Bay and subscribe for more home tours and all things real estate.